Hello again, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to be wrapping up this 4L80E build. I got the valve body and made all the modifications to the pump that I had to make. What I had to do is I had to take this sleeve out of the pressure regulator sleeve out of the transmission case. It's got the boost valve that goes inside of it here. And this spring, your bigger pressure release spring, goes on the end here. I had to take that out. They supply you with a new sleeve and a spring, and the sleeve that they provide you with has got these little shims in it here so you can adjust your pump pressure. What they recommend is with their spring installed, it's going to set your pump pressure at roughly 175 pounds or 150 pounds, excuse me, and each shim adds 15 psi to your pump pressure. The only real way to know where exactly you're at is once you get it installed is to put a pressure gauge on it and check it. So I put 2 shims in, which should put it around 180 psi. From the factory they're at 170. I had footage of putting the pressure regulator sleeve in the pump, and I had to make a modification to the torque converter clutch valve. I had coverage of that and I lost it all. It's not there. I don't know what happened, but I'll swing it around here so you can take a look. This manual shift valve body here is by Extreme Automatics. Comes with the wiring harness, and it comes with a like a bulkhead connector that fits in the case. And this is your torque converter clutch solenoid. This is your trans brake. This will have trans brake that you can use in first or second gear. Yeah, that's about all there is to that. I got a new filter for it and a deep pan, so I'll get that put on and then I'll be back. One more thing here, your fittings for your cooler line from the factory, let me unscrew this here. It's got like a quick connect. It's got a little spring clip in it here, and a line pushes in and that clip locks it in place. So what I did is I got some fittings. They make a fitting like this here. This is for your rear cooler line. This is for your front cooler port on a transmission case. You can screw a -6 AN fitting on it, which will make it nice. So I'll get those put in. This is your filter right here, and it just pushes in. When you buy a deep pan, it comes with this extension. This just pushes in here like this, like that there. And here's your transmission pan. On there just like that there. And we'll put the bolts in. Tighten it down. I really like these cast aluminum pans because they seal really good. The steel pan is okay, but over a period of time where the bolts go through, you'll deform the metal pan, and then it won't seal as good. I got the case all painted up. I masked that off the other day and painted that all up. The pan comes with new bolts, and all the bolt holes on the pan rail are countersunk. It's got a drain plug in it, so you can drain it. All right. Torque these pan bolts to 100 inch-pounds, and you'll be all set. These deep aluminum pans, depending on what transmission you have, will add about 2 to 3 quarts to your capacity. Which is never a bad thing, especially in a performance application or heavy duty towing or anything like that. Aside from the fact that with this thick cast aluminum pan rail, very seldom do you have a problem with the pans leaking. There we go, just like that. Those fittings screw in the case right here. They got an O-ring on them, and what I always like to do is put just a little bit of pipe sealant on the threads. One in the front here, this is the one that feeds your center support inside the transmission. And that way they can take and put an AN fitting on here, and you don't have to fuss with trying to make metal lines to fit those special connectors that GM uses. Here's the outside of your electrical connector. The bottom one here will be for your power in for your torque converter clutch cylinder, your torque converter clutch, and this top one here is for the trans brake. The harness is grounded inside the transmission, so all you need to do is put power here from a couple of switches, and you'll be good to go. So, all right, well, that's going to be it on this deal. Hope you enjoyed it. I learned a little bit, and hope it works well for them, and we'll see you on the next project. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.